Hi, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, I am Kathy and I try things. And I give you my 2 cents. So I'm guilty of scrolling through the TikTok, the YouTube shorts, the reels on Instagram, and I see different products here and there and it's like, oh, that seems cool. That seems, oh, I should review that. But some of them are just simple products that probably don't need a lot of reviewing, but I think they're cool and I kind of wanted to share them with you guys. So I thought about, just doing YouTube shorts, but I think those are only 60 seconds. So I need a little bit more time than that. So maybe I'm going to keep them under 5 minutes. How about that? So these are just going to be short reviews, products that don't need a lot of reviewing, and just things that I find that I like that you might be interested in too, that might help you in some way. So today's product is the Pony Walk multi cleaning tool. Looks almost like a little lipstick case maybe, but no, here it is. You may have seen this. I think it's been on TikTok. I got it on Amazon, I think around $9.99. But of course, Amazon and the prices always change, so you just never know. But I will link this in the description below. What is this, you might ask? Well, also along with this, you get this little tool. So this pops out. Ooh, what's that? Looks like a microphone. And this goes in there, and then you can use it like that. Let me show you what I saw on TikTok that made me say, I need that in my life. But also I've realized that this could probably be used for hundreds of other things. I just don't know what they all are yet. All right, so this is what sold me on this little cleaning pen. You know how dirty and nasty these can get? Earwax buildup, gross, I know. But you just put that in there and goes around and you can clean it all out. Unfortunately, I have already cleaned these out, but I can tell you that it worked great. So sometimes my kids will just use toothpicks to do it, but I saw my daughter using a couple the other day. I'm like, do you really need to use 2? I don't know. And then I worry about the ends of the toothpick breaking off if they stick it in the hole, or I don't know. But I really like the way this works. And then, you could brush all the gunk out of there. And this is a little brush. I don't know if you can see it. It's a little brush, and you could brush them out. I have the wireless ones. This little piece that looks like a microphone goes down in there and cleans the inside. Look at that. How clever is that? And then a phone. So you could put this piece like that, and you could, get in there and brush all the nasty dirt and lint that gets in there. And of course, so this little brush piece would be good for in here. Brush out any lint that's in there or anything that might be stuck in there. Yeah, just cleaning these few items sold me on it. Like I said, not much to this little product. The only con that I've seen since I've been using it for maybe a week now, playing around with it, is I wish this would fit inside somehow, because I have a feeling this piece is going to get lost. This is like a little rubber piece. I don't think I showed that. So that's my only con with this. So I'm not sure the $9.99 is worth it just for cleaning these, but I think it's a neat little tool to have in your junk drawer. I just think there's probably 100 different uses for this. It's just, I don't know what they are right now, but if something comes up, I'll be like, oh, it's in the junk drawer, go get it, and it'll work perfect. So anyway, just my 2 cents, just a quickie today. I hope to do more of these, just products that I find that, there's not a lot to it, but I just want to, if I find something cool, I just want to share it with you guys. And maybe I'll start doing questions at the end. I don't know, still playing around. I'm going to figure it out. So this was just quickie number 1, and I will put a link to it in my description below if you want to check it out. I appreciate you watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.